What's going on, guys? Today we are doing a ROUSH axleback install on Metallic 5.0's Mustang. There's Matthew right there. As you can see, we already got off the old ones. That was super simple to do. We bought this exhaust hanger remover, and we literally just kind of punched them out. They slid right off these little guys. As you can see, we started kind of putting them up there. We got them hung. So there's 3 hangers, 2 in the back, 1 in the front. We already got the clamp on there a little bit, but this side's completely off. So we just got to move those pipes and then put the clamp on there. And I'll show you how to do that. These 2 don't fucking touch.
Matthew!
So we're just gonna try our best.
Oh god, I ran like hit my...
Okay. I hope you could have seen that, but I'm not sure if you could. So we kind of got that thing on there. It's a little crooked, as you can see. I'm pretty sure that's going to be an exhaust leak right there. But we got the other side on right there, and that side's straight. So can you see that right there? But we're gonna put the tip on, see if it's aligned. Check for exhaust leaks, because that should be fine, but I'm not sure. Look at that. Cool, interesting. Okay. Here, Matthew. Be the cameraman.
Yeah.
Okay. See how I always put a piece of cloth in between? You don't fuck up the paint or your exhaust tip.
Before you turn it on, it helps turn it on better. Always rub the tip first.
Cool.
It helps warm it up.
Ooh.
Yeah, using that word.
Oh my god. Yeah, if anyone's curious, those are the 2 exhaust tips I had on there before. Just have that one and that one.
MBRP.
And a no-name brand.
Whatever the hell this is.
Oh, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, there's no exhaust leaks.
How?
Hell yeah. I don't know how.
You gotta know what this sounds like.
Oh god.
We're gonna get some clips of it driving. No exhaust leaks. What do you think, Matthew?
Pretty happy with it.
Ooh, that's close. Oh my god.
You can't wait, like...
That's loud. Oh my god. like it?
Oh, it's fantastic.
All right, there you go. recording already. What do you think so far, Matthew?
Oh, it's quiet as hell in here, dude.
It's quiet as fuck?
Yeah.
It's loud as shit outside.
So you can listen to music again. It's kind of nice.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. I mean, before it was just like rattle everywhere, but nothing's like rattling anymore. Yeah, but cruising like this, you can actually hold a conversation now.
Will it spin up the hill?
Oh, of course. That traction control.